tow truck here is a '07 Pete. I got a 300-inch wheelbase. I got 336 rears. I got a 470 cat under the hood, 18-speed Eden Fuller. She got a little PDI pump to her, so I can turn a knob, put a little more power to the ground when I got the big loads under me. And she treats me pretty good.
10-4. Who we got there?
That's Byron, Boudreaux.
Roger that, sir. Well, tell me what you're working with, and tell me what you do with it.
We got a 2004 Peterbilt 379, and we pull flatbed out of central Mississippi. We haul a lot of lumber out to Houston, Texas, and Sugar Land, and we haul some out to Dallas and stuff like that. Just pretty much haul oil field equipment back out to the coast of Louisiana, and just pretty much whatever we can throw on the trailer, right?
10-4. Well, I'm going to swing over to that left lane there and get a good look at you. You go ahead and maintain where you are.
All right, come on.
I'll tell you what, that's a good looking truck, and I can't wait to see the rest of the trucks that are be on hand at this Gulf Coast truck show there.
Yeah, we appreciate it, buddy. I just got out of the shop this morning. We worked with it all last week, and we pretty much waited till last minute. We changed headlights and had to put some lights on it here and there, put some fiberglass up underneath the cab there, and get everything painted up. And it's come a long way from where we got it from, but we still got a little bit to go with it. But that's pretty much every truck. You'll never truly finish it.
Well, you got that right. You got it looking good.
Yeah, we appreciate you. We tried to. That's part of it.